Welcome to elementlumber.com. Once you've made the environmentally responsible choice to purchase sustainable hardwood decking from elementlumber.com, your next questions will be, how will my wood arrive and what do I do with it once it is here? Your order of hardwood decking will arrive on the back of a semi-tractor trailer by an LTL carrier such as Federal Express. Depending on the size of your order, the unloading time will vary. On average, a 1,000 square foot delivery of Element hardwood decking will take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to unload. If you or your contractor do not have a forklift on site, the decking will have to be unloaded by hand. So what do you do with the boards once they've been unloaded from the truck? You must allow for adequate ventilation between boards. Essentially, you want to replicate the way the boards were stacked in the truck. By allowing the air to pass under and through the stacked decking will prevent the boards from twisting and cupping. To do this is simple and requires just 3 easy steps. First, stack the first set of boards onto some wood blocks that are 4 to 12 inches high. Second, insert wood stickers or shims between each layer of boards. Lastly, leave the decking uncovered and allow the material to acclimate to your locality's humidity levels for a period of 7 to 14 days. If you're concerned about protecting your decking during the acclimatization process, cover it with thin sheets of plywood to shield it from sun, debris, and rain. Do not cover the decking with a tarp. Do not, under any circumstances, put the decking in your garage. If you cover your wood decking with plastic or store it in your garage, the straightness of the wood can become compromised since any covering will trap moisture, causing the wood to cup or twist. By allowing the decking to settle in the open air, you'll be working with a straighter board, ultimately giving you the deck you always envisioned for you and your family. For the design elements you desire, Element Lumber is your source. Call or email us with any questions you may have and we will be happy to assist you. Element Lumber, bringing the lumberyard to you.